today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L200 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson L200 support. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page from Epson L200, epson.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu, whether it's Windows, Linux, or Mac, and then select Go. And then you want to expand the driver section and select the print driver. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's on your system, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes to proceed. And then you want to select your printer and then just walk through the on-screen wizard of getting your printer configured and set up for your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.